Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Babes Wodumo is truly devastated by her husband's death. Mampintsha, who was only 40 years old when he sadly died due to a minor stroke on the 24th of December 2022. You guys, a family member revealed to the ENCA that Babes Wodumo is not coping at all about the death of Mampintsha, who was her husband, you guys. Also, one Ukhozi FM listener who is close to the family reportedly called the KwaZulu-Natal radio station and said that as the family was waiting for a mortuary vehicle to come and collect Mampintsha's body, Babes Wodumo allegedly jumped on her husband's lifeless body. It is alleged that she sat on top of him and begged him not to leave her. Babes Wodumo and Mampintsha had a son, Sponge, who is only 18 months old. Condolences to Babes Wodumo, Mampintsha's family, his fans. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys.